What's up everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a mobile website or a mobile landing page on taplink.at. So Taplink is a great platform that is so easy to use with lots of templates to choose from, and it has lots of functionalities to build your own customizable mobile landing page or website. And here you have to go to taplink.at and you will land on this page right here. In this page you can go ahead and sign in if you already have an account on Taplink, or you can view, like if you scroll down here, you can view like an overview of the platform and its services and features. And here if I go up to pricing, I can view the different plans and it'll show me the different plans here. So here I have the basic plan that's totally free, and I have the pro plan and the business. So the pro plan is for $3 a month and the business is for $6 a month. However, each with its different features, so you can view the features here. For now, for this video, I'll just get started with the free basic plan. So I'll click here on get started for free for the basic plan. Here it'll ask me to enter my email to sign up, or sign in if I'm already a member or have an account, and I can sign up with Apple, Facebook, or Google. That icon that is loading is the Google sign up. It's still loading, I don't know why. However, we will sign up with email. So here I'll go ahead and enter my email and then confirm it, and once I do, I'll show you the page I'll land on. Okay, now once I entered my email and confirmed it and then chose my password, it will land me on this page here, where I can create my first mobile landing page. So here I have a bio link, which is a landing page with my details about me, my blog, my site, and contact us and so on. And I can also create a light website, so a small website, and that's how it looks on the mobile phone. Also have lots of templates for that if you want to do so. However, for this video I will focus on the bio link or here. So here a small or basic page with your details, so if you want to make people know more about you. So here we have many templates to choose from, and they are categorized by abstract, blur, and so on, so many categories. So if we go to Christmas, for example, we can view the templates related to Christmas and edit them. However, each template is editable. We can edit all the blocks or the items here individually, so we can make the look whatever you want. So if we go here to all, we can choose one, or we can start with an empty template. However, it is much easier to start with a ready-made template and make edits to it. So let's say I like this one right here, so I'll click on it. I can view it in a larger view here to see it more of details, and if I like it I can click on choose or cancel to go back to templates. However, I'll click on choose and it'll open here in the editor. Here it gives me a quick tips here, saying that to edit a block I just click on it or rearrange them from here. I can add new blocks if I click here. So let's click away to open the editor. So here is the basic bio link here. I can edit each block. So for example, here the avatar, I can edit it, I can add these blocks and whatever, and I can also rearrange them. So let's get the online store here, and the avatar, let's get it under the brand name, so I can rearrange them by clicking on this part here, the three lines here, and I can drag them up and down. And I can even edit any block by clicking on it. So if I click here on my brand name, so let's enter here the name of our channel, so how to simple, and I can edit the font here. Let's choose this one, okay, and I can edit this headline size, so a large headline, make it larger, and I can edit the color, the alignment, make it bold, italic, underline, and so on. So let's edit the color here. Let's make it red. Okay, I can go also to settings. I can hide this block, make vertical indent, or set block name. And I have some features that are available only for the pro plan here. And if I go to section, I can edit general settings for the section, like the links and so on. And if I go all the way down to action, I can duplicate, archive, or delete this block. So for now, let's save the changes. And as you see here, the name changed and it's now larger and in red. Let's click here on the avatar to edit it. So I can click here to upload an image. And once the image is uploaded, this is like an image that I downloaded from Pixels, so like a copyright-free image just to use for this video. And your avatar will be uploaded, and as you can see here, it's now edited, and you can choose the size. So let's make it bigger here. Save the changes. Now the avatar is bigger, and with the photo that I uploaded, I can click here on each block of text to edit. So like here I can enter another text. However, for this block I don't need it, so I'll delete it. Okay, delete. And here the about me, I can like make it about us. So we create video tutorials for our channel. Okay, and here you can edit the action. So when someone clicks here on this bar or on this block, what happens? So it can redirect them to a website, to your website. So and you can enter your link here, the link of the website here. You can make the action be a call, so they can make a call, send an SMS, send an email, save contact, and so on. Okay, and here I have many options. So for these blocks here, I have design, so I can edit the design of the block itself. So if I can add like animation. Okay, I can edit the header color, so let's make it like purple. I can edit the background color to make it like this color. Okay, I can edit the transparency of the background, so I think this is okay. I can add shadow, I can add border and edit the color of the border itself, so let's make it black. Okay, okay, that looks good. I can go to settings here to view the settings, so it opens in a new window. If someone clicks on it, I can check this, hide block, vertical indent, and so on. And you can also view the options available for the Pro. You can view the section options. The add-on, I can add ons, add integrations or add-ons here. So I have like Facebook, TikTok, Slack, Telegram, legal information, Google Analytics, and so on. I have many apps or services to integrate here into my page. So let's go back for now. And here, once you changed all the settings here, you can also add blocks. You can click on this to add blocks. So we can add like a text block, a link, a divider, media, frequently asked questions, avatar. And also we have some blocks that are available for the Pro subscribers. So like image, carousel, video, social networks, and so on. Okay. And we can also view like the settings. So we can delete blocks, the vertical content, and we can view the display mode as phone, screen, or desktop. So we can view how this page will look on desktop. Okay, and once you edit all the settings and you are happy with them, just click on publish here, and you can get a link, a custom link for your website. So let's enter our username. That's how to simple. And here you can get like your URL. So you have two formats or like three formats. However, one of them is like your own domain name for the business plan. So you can get this format, so taplink.cc/username or username.taplink.ws. And you can also generate a QR code as a link. So if someone scans it, it will go to your page. And you can also edit all like the elements and the colors and the shapes in the QR code, and you can choose it to be round or square here. And you can also generate a widget for your website. So here's the link to embed it in your website and the button color if you need to, and also view or change some settings. And when you are happy with it, so in the links here, I can create the link, and once I'm happy with the link, I can click on connect, and here my link is now created and the data is successfully saved. And I can share the link, copy it, or share it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or more sharing options. So here I can get my link, and I can disconnect link if I like choose to like delete the link. So for now I'll just keep it, and that's how easy it is to create your own custom page on Taplink.